Cuscaden Reserve offers perhaps the ultimate smaller format residences in Orchard, combining design, amenities and next-level service with an ultra-prime location. The one-bedroom pied-à-terre through to three-bedroom with study apartments are elegant, flexible and exceptionally well appointed. The design by SCDA is sleek and understated. Custom charcoal cabinetry is paired with a single slab porcelain countertop. The generous king master bedroom leads through to a walk-in wardrobe with hinged doors and fitted watch drawers, along with a stunning ensuite with marble floors, metallic shelving and brushed nickel faucetry, all coming as standard. Telescopic doors allow for total flexibility to extend the living space into the bedrooms. And the developer's meticulous attention to detail extends to thoughtful storage solutions, flushed doors, and ambient lighting. Amenities include a grand driveway and arrival, concierge and clubhouse with workstations, and Bauhaus-inspired terraces spilling down to the salt-chlorinated pool. And it's set in the heart of Orchard, minutes from luxury shopping, five-star hotels and restaurants, along with top schools and medical centres. This standout development simply must be experienced. Inquire today at boulevard.co.